Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you what do the darker shades mean on the DoorDasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started with the DoorDasher app and you're trying to deliver orders. What do actually all these darker shades of red mean? Now, if you're new to DoorDash, the darker shades of red mean where there's currently a busy area happening. So with a busy area, it means that there's actually people ordering within the area, so you could actually go ahead and pick up orders. But with the darker shades of red, I wouldn't say like it's so accurate. I mean, right now it says that this area and this area are pretty much the same busyness. But just know that I wouldn't really mind too much of it as far as the darker shades of red go. Just make sure that you are able to dash in the area that you're in. And if you're not, move into an area which you could actually dash from. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to explain what do the darker shades of red mean on the DoorDasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.